Lesson number 3, adding effects, text, and animation in CapCut. What is effects? Effects refer to a variety of visual and audio enhancements that can be applied to video clips, images, and audio tracks to create a specific look, feel, or mood. What is text? Text in video editing is any written content that appears on the screen, such as titles, subtitles, captions, labels, or annotations. What is animation? Animation in video editing involves applying motion effects to elements within the video, such as making text fly in, images zoom out, or clips transition with a sliding effect. This is the interface of CapCut. Steps 1. Import videos and drag into timeline. 2. Split the video. When you split a video clip, you are cutting it at a chosen point, creating 2 separate clips. 3. Use effects and drag into videos. 4. Add also text and give animation. Hello, Mellow learners. Welcome to our first lesson on CapCut. Today, I am going to learn how to start a new project, import media, and do some basic editing. 1. First of all, open CapCut and import your videos. Drag the videos into timeline. After dragging the video into timeline, go to Effects, top of the menu, and select any effects and drag into the video. Play your video and see your output. Now add some text in video, select text from the top of the menu and write some text and do some changes like font size, text color, background color spacing. From right side properties of text, do some changes and give animation also. Great job, Mellow learners! You've just created your first video in CapCut. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to save and export it.